Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Thank you for always being here. Right, so as you can tell by the title, today is actually a vlog. I'm starting a vlog. Today is 23rd of September 2025, so I'm going to be starting a vlog because I'm going to market. I'm going to do some market runs, like I'll be getting some fabric to sew for some clients and getting some fabric for myself as well. I'll be taking you guys along. All right, so, and again, very important, I'm going to market today again to repair my machine. This baby have been crying for a long time. It have been down for a while now, so let me just show you guys quickly the issue here. So guys, this is just my baby. All right, this is my sewing machine, but during the period I was actually sewing for my graduation, it actually had an issue. The thing actually caught when I was sewing, but I've still been using it to sew, and it's really been hard. And no, usually my machine is actually always very noisy. Okay, I think I removed it to something. The sewing machine is always very noisy, so I want to just take it to the market and see if I'll be able to control this noise and also repair this thing to fix it back. Right, so this is actually how the thing have been. So once it's down, like it's very stiff. It's very stiff from here. It's really difficult trying to sew like this, but I've been sewing, so finally decided to take it to market today. So this is it. I'll be taking it to someone that will actually help me to repair it and fix the noise issue. Okay, so guys, please follow along the vlog and don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, like, and also share as well. So let's go. So guys, I'm finally here at the market and I gave him this machine before I went to go and buy some stuff. So when I came back, it was already fixed. As you can see here, he fixed the machine, so I tried it and then I carried it home. Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I got in the market. Guess what, when I got to the market at first, I forgot totally I was vlogging, and when I started getting the things that I wanted to get, I forgot, and then the time I remembered, it was raining, so I did not vlog, but I'll show you guys the things that I got. And yes, I was able to repair my machine as well, so let's see. So these were the things that I got. I was able to buy. It's basically sewing stuff. Okay, so this is this like canvas gum that I'll be using for the project. I got this canvas gum. I got this crinoline, 2 yards. I'm not even sure this 2 yards will be okay, but should have gotten 3 yards, but I got 2 yards of the crinoline. And then this pink crepe fabric, I got 2 yards of it, and a pink zip, of course. And then I got this material. So I got this one for myself. This one is for a client that I'm making for. And then this one I got it for myself because I want to make a top or a shirt for myself, but I'm going more for a shirt. That's basically what I got it for. Like I actually loved the material, and it was at a cheaper rate. So, and then I got this lining, 2 yards of lining, and suede fabric, 1 yard of suede fabric, and then this black trimming that I'll be using to also sew for a client. So those were the things that I got. So guys, I'm just trying to try the machine and see how the stitch regulator will actually be, and then the sound, whether it's actually reduced or something like that. Okay, and I tried it, and yeah, the stitch regulator was working well, and for the noise, there was still noise, but not as much as it was before. There was so much improvement, and it was much more smoother compared to before. Though even though I would have actually loved it to be the noise to be lesser, but it's still much better. So yeah. So you guys, you see, for the stitch regulator, it was more smoother and it was working really really well. It was working well at this point. Okay, so guys, I also got this tripod holder, so in case like whenever I want to film from outside, I wouldn't have to carry my ring lights, like the ring light itself. But this one I'll be able to actually hook it on it. Okay, I'll be able to actually hook it somewhere here so that I'll be able to use it. So, and I've tried it, and it's really 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 nice. It's really really okay for it, for the price. Okay, so this is one of the things that I got for my filming.